You're not broke because you're unlucky, you're broke because you don't have skills that people are willing to pay for. And in 2026, if you don't build valuable skills, you won't just struggle, you'll become replaceable. Let me tell you something most people ignore. The world doesn't pay you for your time, it pays you for your value. And value comes from skills that solve real problems. So if you want money, freedom, and control, you need skills. You don't need all these skills, you need one skill done properly. Pick one, focus on it daily, improve it consistently, and give it time to grow. Number 1. Copywriting. Every business runs else, and sales run on words. If you can write ads that convert, emails that sell, content that grabs attention, you can generate income from anywhere. You don't just write, you make businesses, money, and people always pay for that. Number 2. Video editing. We live in a content-driven world. Every brand, every creator needs videos. If you can, edit engaging videos, keep attention high, tell a story visually, you become valuable instantly. Attention is equal to money, and editors control attention. Number 3. Social media growth. Followers are not just numbers, they are leverage. If you know how to grow accounts, create viral content, understand algorithms, you can turn attention into income. You help businesses grow, and growth is equal to profit. Number 4. Freelancing. Skills alone are not enough. You need to know how to sell them. Freelancing teaches you how to find clients, how to price your work, how to deliver value. You stop depending on jobs and start creating your own income. Number 5. Web development. Everything is moving online. Websites, apps, systems. If you can build digital products, you become part of the future. You don't just work, you create assets that can pay you repeatedly. Number 6. Sales. This is the highest paid skill in the world, because if you can sell, you control money flow. Learn how to communicate clearly, understand people, close deals. You can turn opportunities into income. Number 7. Graphic design. People judge in seconds. Design decides whether people click, whether people trust, whether people buy. If you can create visuals that stand out, you become powerful. You control attention, and attention creates income. Final message. Let me be honest with you, pick up one skill. Focus on it daily, improve it consistently, and give it time to grow. Because in 2026, no one is going to care how hard you try. They will only care about one thing: what value you bring.